Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I'm going to show you how you can easily restore the application's data after the reset. So let's assume that this is the phone right after the reset. At first open the settings and now here you need to tap on your Samsung account over here. Scroll down a little bit till you see this Samsung Cloud and tap it. As you can see here, they have sync data across all devices, backup, and some other. If you scroll a little bit down, you will see restore from backups. Here, as you can see, we have your devices. It can be here your previous one, like for example, A36, A35, S25. Doesn't matter. Just tap on your device. For example, this S26 Ultra, or here A37, and tap restore. Here yes, install. And now you need to just wait until the restore application, both applications data is done. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.